welcome back to Red Ted Art. We're going to show you how to make super simple, expandable gift or birthday cards. I'm going to show you how to make this one today. Super simple. Let's take a look and see what I put inside. So expandable cards are really easy to make. You'll need some pens and pencils or whatever you want to colour with or draw with, and a white sheet of paper. It doesn't matter what size you've got. This is A4, but use what you have. The first thing you need to do, and you can see the lines here already, is to fold it in half. And then to fold it one sheet in half again. Swivel it round. This is going to be your top, this is going to be your bottom. And now draw your basic designs. In our case, we're going to do the gift box. So we've kept it really simple. Just do a box. A nice square. And then a ribbon. Doesn't really matter. Nice and easy. And a ribbon. And then if you want, you can add some little details. Here we go. So your gift is ready. And then all you do is you colour that in, and then when you open it, you put something surprising in here. So in our case, we're going to write the word surprise. So the important thing is to remember not to draw below here, not to draw above here, and your surprise expandable gift card is finished. Isn't that cute? And of course you then just colour it in. So here's some more I want to show you that my daughter's made. We did one for Granny, but Granny's already received this one, but I quite like this one as well. It's really cute and simple. Look at this. Woo! Surprise! So you can draw your favourite characters. She's also done this one, which I quite like. So this one you have to kind of think about a little bit when you're doing your drawing. She's done a surprise cake. So what's tricky here is to get the layers right and centered, but it still looks really good, don't you think? You don't have to be too accurate. And then also for those of you who want, we've created two printables that you can do, and one's a gift box with a lid, with something you can put inside, and the other one is a cake similar to this one that you can download and have a go at. But I really do think you should have a go at drawing your own, because it's such a simple way of making super fun cards. And of course you can write on the outside, happy birthday or to so-and-so, lots of love. And yeah, just have fun with them and experiment. I think they're so cute, and it's really just about drawing and having fun. There's no right or wrong, just have a go. So yeah, hope you have a go. See you soon. Take care. Bye.